Hello viewers, today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, building collapse. Building collapse is a growing concern globally, resulting in loss of lives and infrastructure. It's essential to understand the causes and potential solutions of collapse in building. This video highlights some common causes and potential solutions. This is ROK Transmission, Rock over time. Kindly subscribe for more videos and share to save lives. Stay tuned. So what causes building to collapse? Some common causes include poor design and construction. When buildings are designed or constructed without following proper building codes and standards, it can lead to collapse. Use of substandard materials. Using a low quality materials can compromise the structural integrity of a building. Lack of maintenance. Failure to maintain buildings can lead to deterioration and eventually collapse. Natural disaster. Earthquakes, hurricanes, and floods can cause buildings to collapse if they are not designed or constructed to withstand such forces. Now the question is, what can we do to prevent building collapse? Here are some potential solutions. Quality assurance. Ensuring high quality materials and construction practices. Regular inspections. Conducting regular inspection to identify potential issues. Professional supervision. Engaging competent professionals for construction supervision. Public education. Raising awareness about building safety and prevention measures. Building collapse is a serious issue that can have a devastating consequences. By understanding the causes and implementing potential solutions, we can work towards preventing such disasters. As individuals, we must prioritize building safety, and as a society, we must demand accountability from builders and regulatory bodies. Look, a 4-story building recently collapsed in the capital city of India, Delhi, on April 19, 2025. 4 people died as a result, and several people trapped under the debris. This incident highlights the importance of proper building construction and safety measures. Watch the video yourself. It will help you to take proper measures when building.
Look at the Delhi building collapse. A 4-story building collapsed in Delhi's Mustafabad around 3 a.m. The Delhi police say among the 10 people who were taken out from the debris, 4 have died. Rescue operations are underway. We learned that nearly 18 are feared trapped under the debris. Rescue teams, including the police and fire department, responded to the call in the early hours, rescuing several individuals. Meanwhile, Delhi Minister Kapil Mishra has attacked the Aam Aadmi Party over the building collapse. He said the corruption by previous Aam Aadmi Party government has been exposed as this building collapse. The politics has also started. However, he also assured that the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has assured that a thorough probe will be conducted in the matter. My colleague Anushka is joining me from the ground on this story. Anushka, do tell us about the current death toll. We are hearing that the death toll remains at 4 so far.
That's right. 4 people have succumbed to the incident that happened here in the wee hours of Saturday night. We'll try to show you some visuals from the ground here. This is the same area where the building collapsed last night. Several of the people were in fact stuck inside the debris. The rescue operation is still undergoing. The Delhi fire team and also the NDRF team have in fact started. It's been 12 hours now since the rescue operations had started. The rescuers are now trying to pull out those who are feared, are trapped inside under the debris. We are showing you the pictures, the visuals from the ground here. This whole incident was in fact caught in the CCTV camera in the adjacent alley, and at the moment when the building collapsed, the footage showed a sudden spark and a thick cloud of dust filling the alley, preventing any further recording. The collapse occurred early Saturday morning. Various rescue agencies, including NDRF and the fire service, have been deployed amid fears that there are still 1 to 2 more people who are in fact still trapped under the rubble. 4 people have died and the rescuers found 14 survivors so far, while 8 to 10 people are still feared trapped. Is what we are, getting to know. The injured survivors have been taken for treatment at the GTB hospital. The fire officer Rajendra Atwal had also said that they received a call about the collapse around 2:50 a.m. When the fire officials reached there, they found the entire building had collapsed and some people were in fact trapped. This whole incident is in fact seen as a pancake collapse. We are showing the visuals. One crane, 2 JCBs are right now, at this particular spot. They are in fact trying to rescue people. Several of the people have been identified here. 22 of the people are in fact right now. We are getting to know what the resident here are saying, that there were 22 people who were living in this whole area. The first floor of the ground floor was in fact a shop. On the first floor, the owners of the building were staying, and on the rest of the 2 floors, the tenants were in fact staying there. Some people had come, in the yesterday night to stay here, to gather here, but then at the wee hours in the morning, around 3 a.m. in the morning, the whole building collapsed. We saw the visuals of the CCTV where a sudden spark came, and after a plume of smoke started rising, and after that nothing was recorded. This is what the current scenario looks like. We are showing you the visuals of JCB, the crane, everything working in this narrow lane, and people are in fact right now still 1 to 2 more people are still stuck. The civilians are in fact also trying to help. The whole neighborhood is in fact right now trying to see if whether or not more people are stuck inside. It's been more than 12 hours now since the incident took place, and this is what the current scenario looks like. Several of the people who have been rescued have been taken to the GTB hospital. 4 people have lost their life in this unfortunate incident, and right now also the whole the whole rescue operation is going on to in fact take out the people who are feared and trapped inside the rubble right now also.
Thank you so much, Anushka, for joining us at this hour. We are also getting a reaction from the officials. Take a look.
And almost 10 to 14 were initially surface victims were saved by the local people and local agencies. After reaching only NDRF saved total 8 persons.
What's the estimation? How much more time it will take?
No, operation is going on. अभी ये जो ground floor है, इस ground floor का जो है waste material we are removing it, debris.
The rescue operation is underway. The officials are still carrying out the rescue operation. So far, 18 people have been rescued from the debris. But this is what has happened in Delhi's Mustafabad, where a 4-story building collapsed in the wee hours of this morning.